rain, and there is a tornado watch advisory here in Chicago, North counties of North Chicago and Chicago, Cook County. So I returned to the park where I found 3/4 in a hole. Check it out. And but this time I came with my coil, the 11-inch coil that I fixed, you can see. And I found something really cool. It's a 2021, and it's a ring. It's an old ring. It says it reads love. Really old. Just by this trunk. Well, very first good target of the day is an old-fashioned ring that reads love. So I need some love from the field here, and I need some love from you guys. So wish me luck. Alright, so 25, 27, but going down to 20, and it's an old shoe buckle. Really nice. Second find, close to the tree. It's 11-inch one, still good. Okay, see, we can find more stuff. Okay, people, so 2021, I thought it was a penny, but this huge coin, probably a token. Yes, it is a token. No cash value. And it's from let's see if I can read this. Mountain View Adventures. It seems to me that that's what it is. Nice. Unfortunately, I had to quit the hunt because it's started to rain, and there is a tornado watch advisory here in Chicago, North counties of North Chicago and Chicago, Cook County. So I need to come back to this park because the 11-inch coil is finding stuff that the 15-inch missed, or that because I'm not used to it, I missed. So there's a possibility that I'm going to find silver again here. So stay tuned because I'm coming back to this park. In the meantime, wish me luck, and I better go home. So yeah, it's pouring really bad, so I made it home safely. Okay, thank you for watching.